The United States has recently announced a major development. It will be granting 5-year employment authorization cards to specific non immigrant categories, including those in the green cards queue. This decision is poised to make a significant impact, offering substantial assistance to the Indian community living in the US. The US Citizenship and Immigration Services said this adjustment pertains to both initial and renewal employment authorization documents and specifically targets certain non citizens who are obligated to apply for employment authorization. The federal agency specified that these categories encompass individuals seeking asylum, those pursuing adjustment of status under INA 245, and those seeking suspension of deportation or cancellation of removal. Extending the EAD validity aims to notably decrease the volume of new forms I-765, which are applications for employment authorization submitted for EAD renewals in the coming years. This move aligns with the agency's goal to reduce processing times and alleviate associated backlogs. However, the retention of employment authorization for non-citizens still hinges on their underlying status, individual circumstances, and the specific category under which they filed their EAD as stated by the agency. For instance, if someone obtains a 5-year EAD due to a pending adjustment of status application, but the application is later denied, the associated employment authorization could be revoked before the EAD's listed expiration date. A recent study reveals that over 1.05 million Indians are waiting for employment-based green cards, with approximately 400,000 facing the risk of passing away before obtaining their sought after US permanent residency. A green card or a permanent resident card is given to immigrants in the US, confirming their permission to live in the country permanently. Per country caps are limits on the number of green cards issued to people from specific countries. The backlog for employment-based green cards has hit a new high, with 1.8 million cases this year, as reported in a study by David J. Bayer from the Cato Institute. A backlog refers to the waiting time that certain immigrants face when applying for a green card or a permanent residency in the United States. Out of the 1.8 million cases in the backlog, approximately 1.1 million are from India, accounting for 63%, with an additional 250,000 cases or 14% coming from China. This data was reported in the study.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.